Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to design Instagram post. So let's design in Canva. So I'm right now in canva.com. I already logged in. So you already have logged in. Once you have logged in, click on this. On the left hand side, you will see create. So click on the create, and there right now we are focusing on Instagram. So let's design Instagram post in square format. So you have different types of post. One is actually Instagram post 4:5. Right now we are focusing on Instagram post square. So click on this, and so here right now you are in a canvas. So right now, we are going to design something, an Instagram post saying that, for example, you are launching your business. So I'm going to take this design. So as I said, on the left hand side, you will see all the tools available here. So right now, click on the design and choose any templates that you like here. And if you don't like any templates, I would suggest you to design on your own. But always to practice more, to get some idea about different designs and different branding and all this stuff, try to use these templates so that you will get some idea how they are using spaces, how they do the design, so you can get some idea and guidelines to do the best design for your business. So how do I, right now I'm going to focus on choosing any one design. So right now I choose this design. Yeah, so click on this automatically. So this is in my canvas now. So this is just an example. I'm going to use this. So here comes the important thing, that in this video we are focusing on branding or brand kit. So normally what happens is, if you have an if you have a Canva, in Canva you have an option to set all your brand in one setting. But for that you need to have a pro account. Once you have the pro account, you have this access to branding. So the branding kits, it's like something very important. You can set up easily your colors, your, for example, I'm just click on this. You can upload your logo here. So if you're a company, you can upload your logo. So every time you want to use your logo, you can use from the brand kit. And if, for example, you have 3 or 4 different colors that you are going to use for every Instagram post or any branding, any post that you want to do, so you can choose your color palettes here. So you can just click on the new color, and then you say, I'm using blue here, or this is the color code that I'm using. Yeah. So once you have done this, this is completely stored here. So it will when you come and start designing in Canva, you can choose from your brand color what colors that you wanted. And the important thing is fonts. In font, you have different types of fonts. Like, for example, for title, you can use different size, different font name. For subtitle, you can use different title, different font name and size. For heading, vice versa. So like subheading, session header, body, code, and all this stuff. So these are the most important things. 2 things are important: color palette and fonts. Since in this video, in this example, I'm going to show not using the Canva Pro account, I'm using the Canva free account. So you can come here and choose. So again, how do you come here? Go back to canva.com, and then on the left hand side you will see brands. Here you can click on the new brand. You will see all these things: logo, colors. So what you can do is actually, if you are thinking about the pro account, you can upload all this stuff here. If you say no, I don't want it, let's use a free account. I created a document where I will just a normal a document page where I created color palette, and I'm going to choose what colors I'm going to use for my designs, for my branding or anything. So these are the colors. I can go back to the brand kit and choose this one. Choose this one, and you can choose some colors here from any colors, and you can copy this code and paste it here in your color palette where you can use it later. So since we are using a Canva free account, you can use like this. And what font color, what in regarding to fonts, what title, what's the font name, what's the size that you're going to use for titles, because every design have title, subtitle, heading or text. So depends upon that. You can plan all the font name, size, everything before you start designing it. This will help you to design perfectly and also effectively and finish your design in a very well format. So this is a simple brand kit example that you just create a document page and copy and paste all the colors that you want to use in your design, and all the font name and size, what type you're going to use it. So this is an example. Once you have done this, you go back to your design here. Here I'm going to choose this, for example, my color right now, or right now I also have another option that you can use it to choose color actually. So I'm going to introduce something called colorzilla.com. Colorzilla.com. It's a Chrome extension. It's a Chrome or Firefox extension. Since in this example video I'm using Chrome, I'm going to download the Chrome extension. Once you click this, you will get into this page, and this is, if you click on install Colorzilla, it will go to this page and where you can install it and or add this in your Chrome browser. Once you have added this, you will see like this. So you can see Colorzilla in your extension, in your browser extension. So this is really game changing, because it's easy to choose any color that you want. So for example, pick color from this page. So for example, I like this color, so I come here, maybe I want exactly this one, click here and go back to the Colorzilla, and then now you click on color picker panel. Here you got it, this exactly blue color that you have chosen it. Copy, go back to your brand kit in your Word document, paste this. So this is how, and put hash before this, and then let's go back and let's choose another color that we want to choose. Sorry, again go back to the Chrome, go back to the page that you wanted. For example, you let's say you liked, let's say you went to Google, and you liked this blue color, exactly this blue color. So how do I know this? How do you find out this? So go back to your Chrome extension, Colorzilla, pick color from page, go exactly here, you will see this color. Click there, and then go back to the Chrome extension and choose color pick panel, and here we go, you have this code. This is exactly this blue color, so that you can use this brown color for your branding. So you got it now, right? You have chosen all your color palette. So and then later on we can use this for your own design. So right now we say we are launching soon. So I'm going to use this and just drag and drop it, just extend it to make sure that everything is good. Let it be good. So what is title here, what is subtitle here? So you can decide which one is title, which one is subtitle. So this is going to be the main heading actually. So this is the main thing, and here you're going to have the subtitle or subhead actually, and then you have another for your website. So let's say www.enochgeorge.com. Yeah, and then I say coming soon, and then if you as we seen in the previous video, as I said, all this are in layers now. So you have to understand that actually this all things are in layers. You can completely have control of this. So how do you do that? So you can click on example this element and click on layers. Yeah, so layers, and then you can send it back to the or send backward. So these are all completely things. So you can also click on show layers, where you can see the complete layer of this design. So the red is the background, and then comes this image, and then after that it comes the soon, and then coming after that on the top we are launching enochgeorge.com. So if you want to see the layer and see what's going on there, always click on anything, any image like this, and then say layer, and then you can see this one. Yeah, so this is how you can go and send back everything to your particular. You can bring the order into this thing. Yeah, so just this is an Instagram post that is in square format. So once you have done this, go back, click on share and download this as JPEG, and then click download. Once you have done this, you have downloaded it. So either you directly go to Instagram using your mobile phone and then upload it. I always suggest to upload using mobile phone, or sometimes you can also use directly in your web browser. But make sure that you also write title and also description, keywords, hashtags, so that this will be visible to the people's eyeball. People can see your post. So it's important to write title, description, and keywords and hashtags. Yeah, so this is how you do that, and I can also show you how I do this. Posting a post, like you can click on create. So right now I'm in Instagram. On the left hand side, click create, and then you see post. Here you can say select from your computer and choose what photo, what we post that you would like to do, and click on this, and then select, and then you can upload this to Instagram.com. I hope you understood this. So I will just do a summary of what we have done. So the first thing is actually I talked about the brand kit. The brand kit, where do you find it? So go back to the canva.com. On the left hand side you see brand, and you can completely create everything, set up all your colors, fonts, everything here. But since you are using a free account, we are using another alternative. We are using this extension called Colorzilla, and once you have added this extension in your Chrome browser, you can create your own brand kit in just a Word document of what colors that you are using, what font, what size. So for your understanding, that you will make sure that you follow these guidelines so that you're not confused, and the design will be perfectly good, because you know the title will be in this size, and the headline will be in this size, the text will be in this size, the website URL will be in this size. So you can create a simple brand kit guideline for your business, so that it will help you to follow the guidelines, and if someone wants to do it later on, they will also can follow this same deadline. Yeah, I hope you understood this branding. I ask you to again to keep trying it, keep trying, and see changes, and play around with this so that you will understand everything. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the another task video.